Living Hope Mixed Farm again. As I said, we were looking at our dual purpose birds. As you can see, they are birds of two different breeds, and we are making parent stock out of these two breeds. We are crossbreeding them, and we shall come up with the F1 generation of dual purpose birds. So this dual purpose chicken, we are going to fertilize the eggs from them. We are going to get day-old chicks from them. We are going to get 2 weeks old chicks from them. We are going to get 1 month old chicks from them, and we are going to get mature chicken from them. This will be for sale, and this will be readily available by May 2026. As I said before, these dual purpose birds are 6 weeks old, and some are laying more than 1.5, 1.6 kilograms, which means they are growing perfectly well. As I said earlier, we are also trying to avoid inbreeding, which means we shall come back with a totally new F1 generation, which means they will grow up with more vigor, more disease resistance, and more productivity. Therefore, I am urging you to start preparing in case you are interested in dual purpose birds. These are chickens that will be used for generating eggs and generating meat for human consumption. They are very hardy birds, and they produce very tasty meat and tasty eggs. We are going to feed them mostly on organic materials. We feed them on broken maize. We feed them on soya beans. We feed them on commercial feeds. But also we are feeding them on leaves from other nutritious crops and plants that will give them more nutrients that they need for their growth. Therefore, be ready and wait for our birds and prepare. As I said before, prepare the shed or the housing where they are going to stay, prepare the feeds, prepare the equipments, prepare any other things. You can also prepare your incubator, because we shall also be selling ready to hatch fertilized eggs from these birds. All of them almost look wonderfully and doing wonderfully well, but still we are going to sort out the ones which are a bit smaller. As I said, these birds, this chicken, when they mature, they will weigh between 3.5 kgs to over 5 kilograms, which means they will, apart from giving you eggs, they will also give you a very good package of meat for your consumption or for sale. Therefore, we are raising up this wonderful chicken from two different breeds, and whereby we shall be coming up with F1 generation chicken that will be very robust in terms of their health and in terms of their productivity. As I said, this is Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. We are committed to give you the best quality products and quality chicken, quality goats, quality pigs. So this is our unit. This is our unit for the dual purpose birds. We are raising them, and by May we shall be having the expected products, the eggs, the chicks, to be sold out. Other people will prefer the eggs. We shall give them fertilized eggs. Some will prefer day-old chicks. We shall be able to provide day-old chicks. Some will prefer 2 weeks old chicks. we shall give them 2 weeks old chicks because they will not want to do the brooding themselves. And others will want 1 month old chicks. Therefore, we shall also be able to meet that demand. So even countries around Uganda, we shall be happy to serve you and make sure that you don't miss these quality birds that we are raising. Look at them. They are colorful. Apart from being colorful, friendly, they are robust, they are healthy, they are growing daily. So it means they are going to make up very good parent stock, and when you consider having them, you will bring them in your farm and reap all the benefits that will come out of this dual purpose. But sometimes I am just happy and delighted to come and sit nearby so that I can watch these birds. There is this one which is unique. We have one female. It has the feather standing like this, and we have a male. When I locate it, I will also let you know. Which means it is there. Which means they are going to give us to mix our breed, and they will be amongst the breed, amongst the chicken that we want. They are actually very disease resistant, and they are very heavy, and they are very productive. It is running away. So that is the male, and the other brown one is the female. Apart from that, we have our birds here, different colors. They are from two different breeds. So these are all hybrids in nature. These are crossbred. They are crossbred dual purpose birds. But we also have a unit for purely locally available or local chicken, which are not crossbred. They are purely local. And if they are also going to give us eggs and the chicks within the same time. So by May 2026, they will be fully giving us the necessary fertilized eggs. Then they will, which out of the fertilized eggs, we shall also be hatching day-old chicks, selling to people who are ready to brood them as day-old. And then for those who want 2 weeks old chicks, we shall also be having them. 1 month old chicks, we shall be having them. And mature chicken, we shall be having them. I'll be progressively showing you how these chicken are growing. And next time I will also come up and show you how their weight is progressing. They have very good appetite, but also they have very good feed conversion, which means whatever they consume, they are perfectly converting it into their weight, which is what every farmer would desire. So we have this. Be sure you are going to have the perfect breed. So out